If you need concrete surface preparation done right the first time, SCS Specialist Contracting Services is the team you can rely on in Perth. We specialize in industrial and commercial surface preparation, shot blasting, surface grinding, milling, and concrete remediation and repairs. Whether you're removing old coatings, correcting uneven slabs, or preparing a clean, consistent profile for epoxy and polyurethane flooring systems, we focus on quality you can build on. And now, with our new machines, we can deliver even more. That means faster progress on site, larger daily coverage, and a more consistent finish across the entire area, helping you keep projects moving and reduce downtime. SCS is led by Michael, bringing over 30 years of hands-on experience in concrete surface preparation. We take the time to assess the job properly, plan the right process, and execute with attention to detail, because the surface prep is what determines how well the system performs long-term. If you want reliable results, cleaner sites, and a smoother path to coating or installation, get in touch with SCS now.